She on some up at 9 a.m. already cooking in the kitchen. And lately we been fighting on some why you love the stripping. Yeah, she working with the spatula. I know she love flipping. Oh, on me, I don't deserve it. She's just a little too perfect. She's just a little too worth it. I don't deserve her at all. No, not at all. I only text her, man, I never call. I'm still a K9 at heart, I'm a dog. Yeah, that's why you gotta come through quick. I posted at the Derrick up on Westheimer. Hit me when you're done, yo.